check this out. Found this underneath my stairs. Forgot I had it. Aerogarden Pro. This is vintage technology from around 2006, 2007 they came out. But you can still get the kit. Grow anything. Here's what we're going to be growing. Nancy's Own, Grimey Bubblegum. These are regulars, but they're autos. Supposedly about 75 days. Sativa dominant. And every now and again you'll get a pink one. Which is kind of interesting. These 10 seeds were free for ordering from them. Very, very nice genetics, very tasty flowers, to be honest. And every time you order something from them, you get a gift. This was put together in the early 2000s, as I said, and they say that there is NASA technology, and I was looking into that, what they were talking about. One thing I wanted to point out is very heavy-duty construction. And what's interesting, as you can see right here, pump is accessible. You can adjust it. You can actually take it apart and clean it if you need to, which is kind of amazing. In this day and age of disposable things, this was made to be repaired and maintained. So you can see there's 7 openings here. The pump is internal. There's the water bin. And there's the lights. Now this has an old-fashioned chip programming system. It works quite well from what I remember. It was about 20 years ago. I had a little herb garden I did with this. I'm going to put this together. See how old Nancy's Own does with this. Now, as you can see, I'm doing this just right here on the desktop. Now the lights on this are old school compact fluorescent, supposedly designed to be just like sunlight. We're going to try it out. Guess what? It's the middle of January in Minnesota. Don't have a lot of choice. We're going to use distilled water here. It takes just about a gallon. So I'm going to fill that up. It says fill to here. Now let's select. I think they said start with salad greens, flowers, strawberries. Now you can hear it kick on. See the water starting to come out. Each of the ports has its own spout. Next here is the seed pod kit. This is only like 20 bucks for 12. Plus it has some nutrients that are inside. See, these are what was designed for NASA, these seed pods. Apparently they were growing herbs on the space station. I'm going to take these, load them with Nancy's Own, drop them right in the ports, and let's see what ends up happening. So first thing what I'm going to do is pour out the seeds. Again, these are the Grimey Bubblegum seeds. Now these are regular seeds, so 50-50 chance of them being feminine. Then you take the pod, push it out through the top, take a seed, put it inside in the middle. I don't know if you can see it in there. I'm just going to give it a little poke down, make sure it's seated nicely. And what you do is you push it back in. This protects it. Drop it in place. Make sure it's secure. So there we go, we got 7 Grimey bubblegum started here. As you can see, it's set for initial growth. We're going to reset it. Pods are all getting soaked. Protective covering. And we will see what happens. The last 2 seeds I got, I'm going to soak them because I'm going to try them in living soil. Last but not least, we're going to have to take and figure out what to do for nutrients. It's just distilled water right now. Stuff it comes with is Miracle Grow. Apparently, Aerogarden is no longer owned by Aerogarden. They're owned by Scott's, which they do have good stuff, but I don't know if Miracle Grow is the best thing for cannabis. We'll find out.